Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can use hyperlink in MS Excel. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So today we have 4 topics to learn. The first one is hyperlink for Excel sheet, hyperlink attachment for file, any file, hyperlink for web link or website, and the fourth one is hyperlink for file creation. So let's move on to our topic. So these are 4 topics exactly. Hyperlink for Excel sheet. I am creating Excel sheet here for hyperlink. So that we can access creating multiple other sheets. So we have to go to Insert tab, then there is Link, or you can press Ctrl plus K. This will automatically show the hyperlink text box. So first one, we are going to add hyperlink for this one, Excel sheet. You need to go to place in this document, this tab, then all these are sheets. In this workbook, we are going to attach this one on that specific text and press OK. You can specify any address, cell address to jump into that specific cell. By default, it's A1, the first cell. The address is A1. You can go for any specific cell. Click OK. Now, as you are observing that the color and link have been changed, we will verify. Now, exactly we are moving towards HL sheet, hyperlink sheet. Here is. So, the link have been created successfully. Now moving towards file, hyperlink for file, select the specific cell and press Ctrl K. So hyperlink for file. Click on existing file or web page. You need to just select the location of file. Currently I am moving towards documents, this folder. I will attach this specific PDF file. So the link have been created successfully. I will verify by clicking on it. OK. Yes. As you are observing that we have opened the specific file in hyperlink. Third one is hyperlink for web link. Click on that specific cell and press Ctrl K. Hyperlink for web page. You need to just specify the address, or you can paste the link of any website or web address like google.com. OK. Link is created. Now I will verify by clicking on it. So we have google.com here, as we have checked this web link, hyperlink for web link. So the fourth option is hyperlink for file creation. You can create file for any task scheduler or task reminder. Here, press Ctrl K. So here is the option for file creation. Create a new document. You can specify name like task timer. So you can create here three types of files. The first one, Excel. You need to specify XLSX for Excel, or you can create Word file with the extension of document, or you can create a text file with Notepad browser. So I will create a text file for task scheduler. So here is a text file with the task timer. You can specify here task 1 is completed. So this is a task timer for your ease. Save. So the fourth one, hyperlink for file creation, have been successfully created. We will just verify. So this is the file. And the next option we have, furthermore, in latest Office like 2019-16, we have email address attachment also for this is hyperlink for email. You can attach any email address like this one. Click on that file, that specific cell, Control K. Now you need to specify email address here. CGeeks @gmail.com. Subject reminder, or you can type anything. Here are recently used. This is the first email address. I have not used any other email address. Click OK. So by clicking on this hyperlink for email, you can send directly email to my specific address, CGeeks 333. So let's have a look for this. So here is a complete body of the message, like I have typed already reminder and CGeeks. This is the email address. You can just like from this button. In this way, you have 5 new hyperlink types, and you have look. So you have learned 5 types of hyperlink for these specific types, and you have watched the usage. Thanks guys for watching and learning.